All right, the first thing we want to do to put on this new windshield is to take off the factory windshield using a T25 Torx. Go ahead and just lift this windshield right off there. Now the brackets that come with the kits, this is what we call the riser, this is the cover plate here. They're just going to sit right over the top. They are specific to the sides as if you were sitting on the motorcycle. So right side would be the throttle side of the motorcycle. You can see how that just fits over right there. For now, I'm going to go ahead and pull that back off. Go ahead and set our new windshield in place. We're just going to push it right down over there. From here, I'm going to go ahead and pull the windshield forward, and I'm going to set this back down on there. That's going to go ahead and hold that in place for me. Now I can go ahead and take our cover plate, set it right on there, and then I'm just going to loosely start this side with my fingers. Not going too tight, we just want to get them started so that spacer can't come out. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and lift the windshield forward. And set that back down, and we're going to go ahead and loosely start this side as well. Definitely want to make sure we're not cross-threading these, so definitely start them with your fingers. Make sure they are going in easily. If there's any resistance, they might be going into just not quite the right angle. Once we know we have them started, we can go ahead and use our Allen wrench. So go ahead and run them all down. Ensuring that this top plate sits nice and flush against the windshield. If it doesn't, you may need to just move it back and forth a little bit to get the two bosses that are on there to drop down in the hole of the windshield. That's it, we're on there, ready to ride.